Select the subdivision surface in the viewport and press space to enter modification mode. Select the points on the side of the hood surface. If the robot orientation is not synchronized to the world X, Y, and Z axes, like shown on the navigation box, select Reset Robot on the left side of the Tools palette. Use Translation to move the points on the side of the hood downward. This prepares the mesh for the beltline surfaces. Use the navigation box to switch to Side View and fine-tune the points of the mesh. Select IMA Extrusion and pick the edge of the mesh to extrude the beltline surface. Make sure Edge Selection, Extrusion Fixed Direction, and X Direction are enabled. Left-click and drag in the viewport to resize the extrusion surface. Select IMA Face Cutting and make sure several cuts are enabled. Pick the edge of the base mesh and add 2 edges using the ruler on the right side, then press space to enter modification mode. And move the points of the newly created edges according to the reference image with translation. Use the navigation box to switch to Top View. Move the base mesh points in the Y direction. Select IMA Face Cutting and make sure Cut on Click mode is enabled. Hover over the roof line and add an edge with left click. This prepares the connection between the belt line and roof line surfaces. Switch back to IMA Extrusion and make sure Fill mode is enabled. Pick the new edges and connect them with a single subdivision face. Press space to enter modification mode and adjust the base mesh points. Select IMA Extrusion from the Shape Sculpt tab. Select perpendicular edges and press Enter to add a new face. Continue picking edges and adding subdivision faces to the base mesh. Press space to enter modification mode. To align beltline points to roofline points, select a point and start moving it. Hold left-click and press Shift, then hover over another point to snap its X position. Once the points are aligned, select IMA Extrusion and add one more subdivision face. Then switch to modification mode to adjust position of point. Enable mesh lines to slide the point along the edge of the new face. Select IMA Face Cutting and make sure Cut on Click mode is enabled. Hover over the roof line and add an edge with left click. Switch back to IMA Extrusion. Select edges and press Enter to add a new face. Add more faces to the base mesh to close the side window area.